You can build your website for free. You can have a free domain and hosting and create a beautiful modern website that will serve your small business. There are many free website builders out there, and each one of them has its own pros and cons. In this video, I will show you the best website builders that are free to use, so you can create your website in minutes without coding skills and for completely free. So of course I can't cover all the free website builders in one video. So today we will check the best choices in my opinion, which includes Jimdo, Square Online, Webflow, Webnode, Wix and WordPress.com. We are going to compare the builders based on user-friendly experience, bandwidth limit, which is like a space that visitor uses browsing your pages. We also check page limitation. We will see how limited the customization of the builders, and also we will check which ad is more annoying. Because when you're using free website builders, there will be some ads on your website. Keep in mind that the websites are constantly changing, and in this video I'm covering only what's relevant right now. Also, if you won't find a platform that will suit your business, at the end of this video I will mention more builders that may work for you. So let's start. The first one is Jimdo. So Jimdo is very user and beginner friendly. You can easily build your website without knowing coding, without learning anything. It's very intuitive and very simple to use. Check. They limit you with bandwidth of 2 GB, which is pretty nice, but they have limit of only 5 pages you can build. The pages are pretty customizable, but you have big ad on the website, which is a big downside. The next website I want to check is Square Online Store. In my opinion, this is the best free website builder for e-commerce needs. Square Online doesn't limit you on the products, include features like Apple Pay, digital products, appointment scheduling, gift cards, and so much more. You will see ads on the website, but those are small and pretty tolerable compared to other builders. Providing free phone support, this builder is easy to use but pretty limited to customization. So we will give it a big green check on the user-friendly experience, but I'm not sure how much storage you can use there and how much bandwidth. Because they say it's unlimited products, I assume it's unlimited storage. I think it's still very customizable and will serve you well, especially if you're not into all these small little details. And as I told you, they have some ad running on your website, but it's pretty tolerable. Number 3 is Webflow. This great web builder is for you if you want to build your website from scratch without using templates. It's also good if you want to use templates. And don't worry, you don't need any coding skills. The user-friendly experience is not perfect, and maybe you will need to learn some web design foundation before you start. Webflow has a little ad on the right down corner, which isn't bothering in my opinion. The main downside I found in Webflow is that they have limitation on only 2 static pages you can create on the website, which is a big downside in my opinion. But it depends on your business and on the website you want to create. Maybe it will work for you. Number 4 is Webnode, with very few limitations like 100 megabytes storage. I also heard Webnode has a 1 GB limit bandwidth, but I couldn't find official info anywhere. 1 GB is pretty limited, and it's just something to keep in mind. The ad in the footer of the website is small and barely noticeable. So with very good and very user-friendly experience, we still have limitation on the bandwidth, but what's really standing out is that they don't put any limits on your pages. You can create as many pages as you wish. Overall, Webnode is a good choice for you. Let's move to number 5. Wix. Free website builder with no coding skills needed. You can choose from more than 500 templates and customize your design, or start from scratch and build your professional website specific to your taste and your niche. The free plan limits your site to 500 megabytes of bandwidth, and this is the major downside of Wix. Also, Wix domain names tend to be very long and not very appealing. Another downside of Wix is a big ad running across as you're scrolling down. Overall, Wix can be an okay option to build your website for free. Last but not least is WordPress Builder. And we're talking about WordPress.com, not WordPress.org. With WordPress, you can build a free website and get a free domain from WordPress.com. Unfortunately, there's a big ad on the top of your website, and it is pretty annoying in my opinion. This is why I gave WordPress Free Builder a big X in the ad section. WordPress.com Builder has a few beautiful themes you can use, but the user experience may be pretty bad because of the not so beginner-friendly model. The customization is pretty good, and I didn't find any limits on the number of the pages you can create. There is no bandwidth limitation on WordPress.com for free plans or upgraded plans, but there is a storage limit of 3 GB for media with a free plan. You can purchase a domain, an option that they're really trying to push and force on you across the process of creating your website. Or if you look carefully, you will find a way to get the free subdomain, which isn't appealing, but hey, it's free. Overall, WordPress Builder is a decent option if you're willing to learn a little bit about web design foundation and if you don't mind big ads scrolling with you all the way in the header of your website. So if you look, you will see that you have 3 websites that have only one X. You have Jimdo, you have Square Online Store, and you have Webnode. And here I have to say, those are not the only website builders you have outside. You have other ones, but in my opinion, those 3 will serve you good, depends on your needs. So Jimdo, as we saw, have very user-friendly builder. The bandwidth is 2 GB, which is okay. You have just 5 pages you can build. It's middle customizable, but pretty good in my opinion. But you have an ad, big ad on the website. And then we go to Webnode, which is very user-friendly, unlimited pages, customizable, and you have just small little ad which nobody will see unless they scroll to the footer. But you have limited bandwidth. I'm still not sure how much, but it's something to consider when you're building your website. So my conclusion will be, if I need an online store, I will use Square Online Store. If I need a business website, I will use Jimdo if I don't mind big ad, or I will use Webnode if I don't mind be a little bit limited with the bandwidth. So if you didn't find any website builders working for you, you should check the following website builders as well. Weebly. Weebly is a great website builder if you want basic but clean and modern website. The free plan has a limitation of 500 MB storage and you can't connect your custom domain. Weebly has beautiful themes you can choose from and it's pretty customizable. Google Site. Google Site is a completely free website builder. You even don't have a paid plan versions to even if you wanted to upgrade. It is simple and easy to use, and the ad on the website is barely noticeable. The design on the Google site is pretty limited, and you have only 6 themes that don't really change your page layout but can add a little bit of style to your website. Another great website builder is Card. If you're willing to build a one-page website or you're looking to create a landing page, Card is a great place for you. Easy to use with nice interface, Card will help you to build a personal website fast and easy. They do include ads on the bottom part of your footer, but those are small and barely noticeable. Another one is Strikingly. Very simple and beginner-friendly website. Choosing the free plan, Strikingly will help you to build a professional one-page website with big ads scrolling along with you as you scroll down. To build multiple pages website, you will have to upgrade to one of the paid plans. And you won't get rid of the ad even on the started paid plans. The templates they have to offer are beautiful, but one-page websites are usually harder to rank on Google, and they tend to look less professional and pretty basic in my opinion. So I hope you will find the best website builders for your business, and I hope you got value from this video. Thumbs up will be very appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, creator.